Hi, my name is Ziaur Rahman. I am a civil 3D designer with 15 years of experience in infrastructure and land development projects. I specialize in site grading, route design, utility layout, and quantity takeoff using Civil 3D. I have successfully completed projects including subdivision grading, commercial site development, and drainage design. I focus on delivering accurate, practical, and construction-ready drawings that meet client standard and deadline. If you need reliable Civil 3D support for your project, I would be happy to help. Let's work together to bring your design to life. Thank you for watching.